operator of a link queue in order to delete a particular ID that I pass in my remove employee method, and I am deleting that record with matching ID. So first of all, employee list dot remove. What exactly I have to remove is I am going to find that record from my list. So where e is equal to e dot id equals to the id that I have passed to this my remove employee method. Now let me just build it once. So as you can see, it built successfully. Now I want to build the I am just building it once and I am running it. I am just pressing F5. You can see here WCF SVC host, your service have been hosted. Click here to view the details. So this is my console WCF service. It's not a application, it's a web console service. So you can see it's a WCF test client. I can see all the different methods of my WCF. I'm going to add one employee 22. As you can see, whatever the entities that I have defined, this all entities are here. Now previously I have shown you in my entity I have declared city, which is not a data member of my data contract. So you can see here no city is displayed. So whenever you want to expose the entity of your class, you have to make it in a data contract. I think you get this one. Designation I am just giving as a software engineer. First name Dushyant. I am invoking these methods. Okay, it returns me null as this method does not return anything. So I will add one more. So this also get invoked. Now I will get employee, so it will return me two records. One is Dushyant and another is of Vimal. You can see here I have two records on my screen. This is 0 and 1. 0 returns me Dushyant with its GUID and 1 is returned Vimal. I am just copying this GUID because I need this ID in order to remove it. So in my remove method I have to pass the ID. I will just remove the quote and I will invoke it. Now I will again get employee and I will, if I will here you can see it's showing me two records. When I will invoke this, it will show me only Dushyant because I have already removed the Vimal's record. As you can see, it shows me only one record, that is Dushyant. So this is the simple WCF application where I am exposing my operation contract and operation methods with my service contract and my data contract example. Hope this video is quite helpful to you in order to design your WCF application. Thank you so much.